Alright guys, we are all checked in. We dropped our luggage off at Bell Services and now we are waiting for the Blizzard Beach bus to arrive. I'm super excited to be back at Disney. Me and my girlfriend Lizzie have been planning this for at least a year and it does not feel like we were really here. Like, I'm still kind of in shock that we are here, and I am so excited because this is her very first time ever here at Disney World. So I'm going to be doing my best to show her everything that I love and enjoy about Disney. So come along with us and see what we get into. Welcome skiers, Blizzard Beach. Good morning. All right, we have made it inside of Blizzard Beach. Can you tell what the theme is yet? Huh?
It's avalanche, right?
No, it's supposed to look like a ski resort.
Oh, a ski resort.
Yeah. In the middle of Florida.
Oh, it looks like an avalanche pit.
Yeah. Alright, we got our locker. Here is the map of the entire Blizzard Beach. And this slide here is definitely on the to-do list. But we're gonna try and see what all we can do before we have to leave for our dinner reservation at 6 o'clock at Magic Kingdom. So we're gonna head up the chairlift and see what the day brings us. Here we go guys, up the chairlift. This is so cool. Especially being from upstate New York where I go snowboarding all the time, so this is right up my alley. Here we go, the very first ride, Slush Gusher, the warm-up to Summit Plummet. Oh my god. You good? Me too. I swear to God, that was the craziest slide I've ever did. Literally.
Oh my god.
I must have caught like 3 feet of air over that last hump. I was ready to catch some air, but not that much, dude. I was literally like, I was like, am I gonna touch now? I was like, dude. Wow. I was airborne a good like 1 or 2 seconds.
Yeah, same.
Wow, that was nuts.
Good.
Woo! Oh! That was so much fun.
So much fun.
Yeah, the tube ones, they're something special. Look at all these twists and turns. There's 3 different tube slides that you can go down, but we're gonna plan on eating some lunch right now. So, ooh, that was nice and warm.
I know.
So we'll pick up the vlog when we find something to eat. Now that was a slide. What? That was so much fun. Wow, that was so much fun. What did you think, babe?
It was so much fun. I enjoyed that one, but I think I liked the other two better.
Yeah.
That one was quick.
This one though was more up my alley. It was more intense, you know what I mean? The other tubes were relaxing. But now we're under this cave and headed to find some lunch. After a 30-minute wait at this quick service restaurant here, we finally got our lunch. So I got the pina colada alcoholic drink, and she got the passion fruit lemonade with vodka, and the flatbread with chicken, tomato, white sauce, and bacon and red onions. It actually looks really good. And me, I'm basic and plain, so I just got some chicken nuggets and some barbecue sauce. So I'll let you guys know what I thought of everything at the end.
That tastes like a little lifesaver candy.
What? Alright.
It's so good.
So let's try.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like a little raspberry lifesaver.
You definitely can taste a lot of coconut, but then it's like strawberry puree or something in there with
I think it's raspberry.
something, but it's really, really good. I recommend this.
Yeah.
Let me try yours first before I say which one's better.
That's the kind of fun. I like that.
This one is better than that one.
Really?
If you like lemonade, I highly recommend this one over that. That's just my opinion.
So that's a 10 out of 10 for me.
Alright.
Oh my gosh. Okay, these are both really good. 10 out of 10 for this one too.
Yeah, it's hard not to get a 10 out of 10 at Disney World. Alright, so my review on the chicken fingers. I mean, can't really mess up chicken fingers. So, if you like chicken fingers, I recommend them. They were really good actually. Nice and tender, easy to chew, not too crunchy. Yeah, I definitely recommend these chicken fingers. And how'd you like your pizza?
Like a 7 or a 6. It was
like
good.
A 7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Okay. What could have been better about it?
More sauce.
More sauce?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's really good, but there's not enough. It's kind of dry. But the flavor's good.
Yeah.
I just like my pizza saucy or whatever.
I don't blame you. Yeah, that's a good score though. That drink that you got is better than mine, which I finished. But
Yeah.
they're both really, really good. I highly recommend everything that we bought.
Yeah. 10 out of 10.
Still got a long ways up. Wow. The view from up here is insane. Over there is the Hollywood Tower of Terror. Wow, you can see it so much from up top. We are at the top. You can see Avatar, Expedition Everest. My quivering legs. Nah, I'm just kidding. But I am terrified. Yo! I did it! Oh my god! Yeah, baby! Yo! We did it. Oh my god. That was so terrifying until literally you went off the edge. And like once you went off the edge, you're like, I'm doing it. You know what I mean? Yeah, at that point you're just hanging on for dear life.
Don't even think, just do.
Dude, wow.
Close your eyes, that's what I did.
Oh my god.
I was trying to see anything to do.
Dude, oh no. I'm just speechless. I really am speechless.
proud of us.
And me too. We both almost chickened out.
Yeah.
Like on the way up, we just kept going higher and higher and higher. My legs start giving out, getting weak. I'm like, dude, I'm not gonna do it.
If I can do that, I can do Tower of Terror.
You can do everything if you can do that.
How much?
Wow.
How far off is up at the top?
That's a 120-foot drop.
Holy.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
Woo!
Woohoo!
All right, we decided to get our stuff and take a walk through the gift store and head on out so we can head back to Pop Century and check into our rooms. Earlier in the video I said that we had dinner reservations at Magic Kingdom, so we have to be inside Magic Kingdom before 6 o'clock. So the time is, what time is it, babe?
2:48.
So it's 2:48 now. We can check in at 3 o'clock. That'll give us time to take a shower, maybe do a ride or two before dinner. So stay tuned for the rest of the day. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna be watching the fireworks and doing some rides. Bye. So long for now, Blizzard Beach.